Nakamadula siya. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Gumaganon-ganon!
Fight for what I want.
Yes! Wala! Bigyan tayo ng parang! Ah! Hello, hi mabuhay! We are going to be reacting to Miss Universe 2025. I'm very excited. At least sa Manalo, hindi ako nag-react. Pero ngayon, magre-react tayo dahil Quezon Province represent. I'm very, very proud. So, let's go. Sana makapasok si Atisa. Oh my gosh! Go Atisa! Yan introduction na Philippines. Go! Manalo! Philippines! Pilipinas! OMG! Galing! Grabe. Sino ang bet nyo? Siyempre Thailand. Nandiyan si Thailand. Thailand and Philippines. Yon. Kasi puro Latina ang mga judge. Nakakakaba. So, ay. Arbony! Yes!
Such an amazing
Diana Torres?
Bangkok. What a powerful group of women really prepared.
Diana Torres. Parehas Philippines yan, guys.
Number. It makes me think of my opening number.
Parehas Filipino in heart.
We had to learn to dance. No puedo.
And Thailand din nanalo si Catriona. So, you know, we're very excited about that. So, sana talaga. OMG. Philippines, please! Ayun na, hinati sa top 15. So, ito yung... Philippines! Pasok na top 30 na. Yes! Philippines! Oh my gosh. Bakit wala Miss Philippines? Sabihin niyo parehas kayo Pinay at heart. Sabihin niyo Philippines. Ayan! Philippines! ang eksay naman exposure ni Philippines. Ayan! Philippines! Oh my God! Nagkaroon pala ng People's Choice ba yun? Parang People's Choice. So, yung una, Philippines nangunguna. Tapos, bigla nilang binuksan ulit yung poll. Biglang umangat si Paraguay. Ewan kung something's really fishy about that. Kasi, Philippines, ang layo ng Paraguay, ang naglalaban, Philippines at saka Bangladesh. Yung dalawa yung top 1 and top 2. Biglang nung nire-open, at walang announcement na i-re-open ha. Biglang pag-re-open, 1.6 na agad si Bangladesh, ay si Paraguay. So, ang layo ni Philippines. So, ayun. Kaya, ewan ko kung ano mangyayari sa People's Choice. Kasi parang pagsasamaan yung vote 1 tsaka vote 2 yung extended version. So, parang ano lang, ang daya lang. Kakainis. OMG! Simware! Grabe yung prelims ni Atisa. Ang galing-galing niya doon. Grabe. Bangladesh. Ganda. Ang ganda ng kulay ni Bangladesh. Wow. May pag-ikot. Munti ka nang mahilo si Brazil. Mas gusto ko yung yun sa 2018 na runway. Para talagang pang model. Kung Victoria's Secret, isang straight lang siya. Ito pag ganun. Hindi ko bet yung runway ngayon. China! Aba, may China! Wow! Ganda ni China. Confident na confident siya. Colombia! Si Ivana. Colombia si Ivana, kamukha ni Ivana. Ang ano pala ngayon, ang host or anong tawag din? Yung damit nila na suot is bench. Bench is syempre Pinoy Pride. Ang galing-galing ng bench, grabe. Cote Bois. Ganda nito ni Cote Bois. Gumawa ng gown ni Cote Bois. Filipino din. So, ang galing-galing. Prelim gown niya. Ay, wow. May sash pala yun. France. Ganda ni France. Oh, iksi ng hair. Alam mo, OP Philippines na kasunod. Atisa. Philippines. Ang ganda ni Malta. Parang sinaunang tao yung ano niya. Makeup niya. Yung hair pala, yung hair. Philippines, Mexico. Puti. Latina. Ano Miss Universe Latina? Ko alam yun, Miss Universe Latina. Latina ang judges. Ano kayong color ng swimsuit ni Philippines? Win or lose, we're still proud of you, Atisa. So, kahit maraming lutuan ang nangyayari, nagaganap, but, you know, we're still proud of you, Atisa Manala. Ganda naman ng, na Palestine. Naka-gown agad. Very safe ang swimsuit ni Palestine. Skin-toned white siya. Philippines! Ayan na! Oh my God! Ay! Oh! Oh! Ganda! Ah! Gatisa! Ang pretty niya talaga! Diyosa ba? Monica? Ah, confident yan! Ganda! Gabi! Ganda ba? Naka-sidebang siya. Ah, sidebang. Side hair. Oh! Pak! Philippines! Tawa-tawa. Thailand! Siyempre, Thailand. Go, Thailand! Sexy, oh. Tapos na ang swimsuit. Philippines. Sana si Atisa?
Philippines!
Philippines! I
Philippines!
need to say that. The Philippines.
So in the house,
Did
you
you
can hear
see
them.
that eye contact? That was impressive. She just knows the camera. She knows the angle. She knows exactly where to look. That was amazing.
Heto na, announcement na ng top 12 OMG. Nakakakaba. 100 candidates daw ngayon. Yan dami, diba?
Delegates.
Yes! Let's go! Top 12 Philippines!
Here we go. Chile.
Ah! Top 12 Philippines!
I used to be,
Philippines! Please, Philippines!
Cuba.
Cuba, puro letter C. OMG, tatlo na.
From a young
Philippines! Ayun, tinatapat na sa Philippines.
Guadalupe.
Guadalupe! Hara, parang alphabetical Guadalupe. C, tas G. Pag lumagpas ng P, OMG. Apat na. Philippines!
Next
4 na ba? 5. 4.
Mexico.
Guadalupe. Mexico. Hala! Letter M na! Oh my God!
I
Letter
will
M
like
na.
every
Philippines! Ayun, nakatapat na naman sa
Joining
Philippines.
them, Puerto Rico.
Ala! Puerto Rico! Bakit lumagpas? Lumagpas sa H, PU agad. Okay lang, Atisa. Okay lang yan. At least top 12. Ay, top 12. Top 30. 6 na. Still, congrats, Atisa. Babalik yan, commercial. Ah, hindi. Top 7
Joining
na.
them,
Philippines.
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh, bakit V agad? Oh, hindi alphabetical, girl.
Today I want you to know who I
Venezuela.
am. I am Stephanie Abasal and I believe that the
Philippines! Laging tinatapat kay Philippines. Hindi niya tinatawag. China! Oh, wow! China! Philippines. Umulit, letter C na. Philippines. Meron pang 4. Oh, Thailand at saka Philippines, please.
The stage, Philippines.
provide education for myself, for my brother, and for my sister, and help provide for my family. So I really hope that my story is a symbol of hope for everyone to hear that it doesn't matter your life circumstances, you can achieve anything as long as you put your mind, your heart, and your soul in it.
Congrats, Atisa!
Oh, here we go, Thailand.
Ah, magkasunod pa! Thailand! OMG! Philippines, Thailand!
I have completed from this.
Kinabahan ako. Akala ko di na siya matatawag kasi lumagpas na. Sino pa?
Please welcome to the 12.
Last na.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire! Talagang pinanghuli si Cote d'Ivoire. Panghuli na nga ba?
Quite turbulent times, which is why
Top
Miss
6
Universe's
na.
message.
Okay,
Baka sign na to kasi si Arboni is half Filipina. Si Diana Torres nanalo ng Miss Universe sa Philippines. So baka, Atisa na kasunod. Walang interview, no? Kasi nung panahon ni Steve Harvey, may interview yung mga delegates. Ngayon, wala talagang, lakad lang kayo, palit, top announcement, ganun. Yan na, evening ka. Let's go. Walang kumakanta, instrumental lang. Instrumental lang ng Miss Universe. Ay, instrumental, orchestra. Puro pink. Pink din yung kasunod. Ibang pagka-pink naman, Colombia. Parang lilac ba to? Lilac? Ah! May pag ganon. White naman si Cuba. Puro pink, black, white. You know, glittery and everything. Kamukha ni Alicia Keys. Si Guadalupe. Ah, red naman to. Sino to? Si... Ganda. Mexico. Ano kayang color kay Atisa, no? Ganda. Balot na balot, ah. Pink ulit or white? Puerto Rico. Lahat sila may trail, may kapa. Oh, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico, Mexico, maganda. Guadalupe, ganda rin. Ano ba, ilan na bang hahatiin? Hindi ko alam kung ilan ang paghati. Oh, ito. Sino to? Venezuela, red and gold naman siya. Ay, tinapon yung shawl. Paano yung kasunod? Tinapon yung shawl niya, Venezuela. Ganda red, oh. Parang may red na kanina. Baka madulas yung kasunod. Si China. Hala, walang kukuha nun. Sino kukuha nun kay Venezuela? At bumalik siya dun, kuhain niya ulit. Ayun, oh, si China na. Paano yan? Ah, nilagpasan niya. China, nilagpasan niya. Wala pa rin kumukuha ng shawl ni Venezuela. Ganda, China. Kaso ganyan na rin yung, parang ganyan na rin yung kanina. Ayun, kinuha na, oh. May kumuha na. Katulad din nung kanina yung white, eh. Maiksi lang yung Philippines! Talaga tinanggal. Dapat lang tanggalin yan para kay Philippines. Philippines! Ayan na siya! Atake! Lala mo! White, pink. Anong color to? Gold. Hindi ko maintindihan. White ba to? Ay, wow. Pag-ikot. Oh. Umikot. Baka madapa siya. Kinakabahan ako. Baka madula siya. Ang ganda! Oh my God! Gumaganon-ganon! Gumaganon-ganon yung kanyang ano. My gosh, goosebumps. Grabe. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ang flowy. Hala, ang ganda. Parang may buhay yung ano niya. Oh, back. Ang ganda. Kinaba, Thailand. Oh, sunod naman si Thailand, ate mo. Ay, ang simple lang nung kay Thailand. Parang blue. Gray blue. Grabe yung kay Atisa. Gumagana para may buhay yung kanyang ganda. Siya lang ang umikot. Si Philippines lang ang umikot. Ganda Thailand. Oh, sexy. Alta. Parang sasayaw naman yung kanya. Yung pangsayaw na ano. Pang dance sport na ano. Na gown. Parang pom-poms na madami. Ay, umikot din siya, oh. Sunod, parang may malaking suot yung suot niya. Ayan, oh. Parang kay Emma. Cote Bois. Oh, pak. Oh, ganda. Ay, iniwan din. Iniwan niya din. Ah, ang simple lang. Hindi masyado nakita. Yung suot niya, yung malaking ganun. Sayang. Isa pa to si Cote ba iniiwan yung shawl eh. Ayan o. Oh, pak. Ha? Ay, pag-ikot na ganon. Lumabo nga lang yung camera. Ayun, kinuha na. May kumuha. Nakailang ikot si ate mo. Oh. Parang wala masyadong kakaiba kasi may pink, may press red, silver, and black. Yung black lang yung pinakakakaiba. Paano ilalagay yung crown kay Atisa? Nakaganon siya na ano. Announcement na! Ilan kaya? Top 5?
day. She was
Philippines.
so
Gandahan mo, Arbonne. Ikaw kasi.
control
Gandahan mo
over her
sasabihin
eye
kay
contact.
Philippines.
She knows the cameras very well.
Very, very much so. Also, Thailand, she had so much support. I think it was very smart, the gown choice. with her,
Philippines!
too. Oh my gosh, we're running out of time. I still want to say something about Cote d'Ivoire. That reveal. that had
Philippines!
impact. Did we miss anybody?
Philippines!
That was
Philippines!
a dream. A dream come true. Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, all the ladies are bringing it. Okay, but after the break, we
Malilimutan
have
pa
the
si
top 5. We will
Philippines.
announce them. This is so nerve-wracking and my heart is beating.
Top
No, the
5.
competition is getting tougher. The stakes higher.
Grabe yung confidence niya talaga habang naglalakad, no? Pak na pak talaga. Confident talaga siya. At saka parang gumagalaw yung, parang may buhay yung gown niya, yung gumaganon. Natakot lang ako baka kasi siya madulas or something kasi medyo naaapakan niya eh. Pero hindi naman. Galing, congrats! Yan na! Announcement na! Philippines! Oh my God, okay lang kahit hindi. Okay na yan, top 12. Sige. Feeling ko talaga, gusto ko manalo si Atisa pero dadaming Thailand host. Tapos, yung mga, diba, nawat pa, yung ano, ewan ko na lang talaga. But, you know, galing mo pa rin, Atisa. You did your best and feel na feel namin talagang kinumamang lahat. So, congrats!
Top 5 is
Philippines! Please! Philippines!
Thailand.
Ah! Thailand! Siyempre. Thailand, of course. Go Thailand. Hala, siya unang tatanungin. Kasi siya unang tinawag. Alam na din sa akong Thailand. Ba't naman nawala? Nawala yung live stream. Ayan na. Philippines, please. Philippines.
Joining her is
Philippines.
Philippines.
Gatis na! Galing ko! Oh my God! Ang galing! Ang galing! Grabe! Oh my God! Ang galing mo! Ang galing! Ang galing talaga! Ang galing mo! Yeah! Grabe! Magkasunod pa sila! Sa number 2 si Philippines. Oh my God! Alam na this. Alam na this talaga.
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Cote d'Ivoire.
Mexico.
Oh! Feeling ko Mexico. What do you think? Depende sa question and answer. Whew. Tapos na, di ba? Top 5 na. Venezuela. Ay, isa pa. Last. Colombia or Cote d'Ivoire?
And the final spot goes to
Pwede rin Guadalupe. Sino kaya? Nakakainis yung live stream. Nawawala. Ah! Nag-cut! Ano? Guadalupe. Ah, tama. Cote d'Ivoire. Wala si Colombia. Feeling ko Mexico, Cote d'Ivoire. Ay, hindi ko alam na guys. Basta feel. Oops! Oops! Ano siya? Na-trip siya. Muntik na. Nakita sa camera. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Go, go, go. Okay lang. Si Atisa.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, give it up for our top
Bye! Yes! Ah, galing mo, Atisa! Ito na talaga. Question and answer.
Can be the winner tonight.
Malakas
I
lahat.
would say
Feeling
so.
ko
We have
malakas
a lot
lahat
of
talaga.
powerhouse countries and
Parang pang kontrabida final boss yung kanta. Gitna si Thailand, oh. Siya naman yung unang tinawag pero ba't siya yung nasa gitna? Nako, nawala! Ga Philippines! Iikot pa kaya siya? Oh, ikot! Galing! Oops! Uy, matik na siya madalas! Sabi ko na kayo, nakabahan ako dun sa ano niya eh. Oh, diba? Hindi halata yun. Ako lang nakakita nun. Galing na singer, ha? Galing. Pang final boss talaga, Venezuela. Galing ng singer, ah. Wow. Galing. Galing. Nako, kinain yung screen time ng singer. Kinain.
Thank you so much.
30 seconds lang. Ano kayang question, Thailand?
Equality. Because I believe that all of us deserve respect,
Human equality,
kindness,
sabi ni
and
Thailand.
same equality as other genders. And we
Issue ba
deserve the
yun?
same respect in the workplace as well as the same home. And I encourage you all to speak for your voice, raise your voice for women equality.
Yeah. Women equality. Go, go, go.
Thank you very much. Miss Thailand, everybody.
Medyo, ayun na, Philippines!
Next up, please, Miss Philippines, would you step forward and please choose a question? Thank you. Congratulations.
Ayun na, Philippines. Bakit ganun? Isa lang yung envelope, tapos...
You have chosen Judge 7, Minnie.
Ba't ganun? Wala namang choices. Iisa lang yung envelope.
Hi, Miss
Mini
Philippines.
Balay.
How are you feeling?
Really good, excited.
My question for you today is, as a global ambassador or citizen, what will be your contribution to humanity?
Oh, contribution to humanity.
No, I want to be the hope of
Ah!
people. I come from a very poor background.
Panalo na to!
I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty. And if there's anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want.
Yes! Bigyan na yun ng corona! Koronahan na yan! Oh my God, ang galing! Ang galing ng sagot. Guys, wala na.
I'll ask
Panalo na.
Venezuela to please.
Panalo na yan. Wag na yung iba. Wag na yung iba. Panalo na yan. Ang galing. Galing. Galing Ate Isa. Grabe. Hope. Oh my God. Ang galing. Nagawa pa niya yun mapasok yung kanyang poverty.
You've chosen Judge number
Ba't
4,
ganun? Chosen?
Andrea Mensah.
Wala namang ibang envelope doon. Ba't ganun?
Thailand, thank you so much for your question. I thank God that I had been given the opportunity to live in different continents of this world. So I have a broad view of the different cultures and an understanding of how to have empathy with the people, how to communicate, and how to break those barriers of language. I believe that this platform gives us access to every corner of the world, and it teaches us that us as women with a voice and being a role model, it is our
Ha?
future, the children, the elder, the people that see us, that
Parang
see us, and we
okay na yung
depend
umpisa
on making
pero
a
parang
difference.
gumanon-ganon yung sagot niya ni Venezuela. Parang
Thank you, Miss
okay. Philippines pa din. Mexico. Eto, feeling ko kailangan niya ng translation para mas translator. Ayun pala, nasa ilalim yung sobre. Hindi ko kasi kita.
For your question, as a woman and as Miss Universe, I will put my voice and the power in the service of others. Because nowadays, we are here to speak up, to make change, and have everything here. Because we are women, and the brave ones that stand up are the ones that will make history. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mexico.
Miss Mexico, everybody.
Finite niya talaga. Ito na, kinakabahan ako dito kay Cote d'Ivoire. Magaling ka magsalita.
Miss Cote d'Ivoire.
Wag magalingan natin.
You've chosen
Philippines pa
Judge number
din.
6.
Being brave, emotional daw.
Well, as a woman who has a foundation on education, I think it is important that we teach young girls to love themselves. That is why my slogan is assume your identity. Because if you love yourself,
Emotion
if you
ba
have
yun? Love
confidence,
yourself?
you can walk into this world and you can shine. So I will urge every young man and every young woman to love yourself first. Be who you want to be and shine. Thank you so much.
Pwede na rin. So, Philippines versus Cote d'Ivoire.
Hi, everybody.
Emotion. Sabagay, love yung emotion.
So the top five
Loving
all answered
yourself.
the judges' questions.
Yes.
And their fate. We have another look at
Final
how the delegates
question?
spent the last 2 weeks in this
May final
beautiful
question
country.
pa?
We'll see you soon.
Akala ko tapos na. Ano ba yan? So, final question is parang isa lang yung tanong tapos lahat sila sasagot. Parang ganun. Top 3 ko, Philippines, Cote d'Ivoire, and either dun sa dalawa. Hindi ko na alam yung iba. Ito na, announcement of top 3? Top 3? Ano ba? Top 5 sila, tapos magiging ano na. Meron na daw ulit question and answer. Oh my gosh. OMG.
Each delegate will answer the same question. Delegates
Meron
will wear
pa.
headphones so they don't
Ah,
hear
may
each
dalawang
other's answers.
question.
Again, they will
Okay.
have 30 seconds to answer each question. Start with you, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Thailand.
30 seconds. May final
Please step
question.
forward.
Dalawa pala. Okay.
Congratulations. Miss Thailand, if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I believe that everyone who has been through all the
Go
struggles,
Thailand.
failures, anything in life, we can get back up. It's not about how you fail, but how you rise up. I would encourage you all to be your own hero, to light that light within yourself and light it on others. And if we come together, lift each other up, the world will be a much better place. And I encourage you all to never fear. I am standing here as your next Miss Universe, and I hope to be.
Eh, ganda. Ganda sagot niya.
Thank you, Miss Thailand.
Yan na! Philippines!
Miss
At least
Philippines,
ay
I'll ask
laban
you to
mo!
please step forward for your final question. Hello, how are you? And congratulations, Miss. Miss Philippines, if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I work with an organization called Alon Academy, where we work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is, it doesn't define where you will go. And I want to continue working with Alon Academy in a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else. Thank you.
Yeah, galing! Galing!
Miss Philippines, everybody.
Galing!
Thank you.
Philippines na talaga.
And I ask
Philippines na
now
talaga yan!
Venezuela to please step forward and answer your final question. Thank you very much, Miss.
Philippines talaga.
Applause to Miss Venezuela, everybody. Thank you so much. Miss Venezuela, if you win the
Yung,
title of Miss
ano
Universe
ba tawag sa
tonight,
ganon? Yung
how
pagsagot
would you
niya
use
na
this platform
conviction
to empower
talagang
young girls?
fight, ganon.
I believe that education and communication go hand by hand to influence positive activity from the girls, from the children, for everyone that watches this platform. I'm standing here because with my life experiences, I've been able to become the person I've wanted to be. And this is the representation of a woman that's determined and with her conviction, she's reached her goal. And that is what I want all the girls to search for. Thank you, Thailand.
And thank you, Miss Venezuela.
Ganda din sagot niya, maganda din. Hirap na talaga
I will now
mamili
ask
guys. Ang
Miss
top.
Mexico to step
Magaling
forward.
lahat, promise.
Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Miss Mexico.
Pero number 1 pa rin
Thank you very much,
Philippines.
Miss Mexico. Your final question: if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
Go Mexico.
As Miss Universe, I will say to them, believe in the power of your authenticity. Believe in yourself. Your dreams matter. Your heart matter. And never let anyone make you doubt about your worth. Because you worth everything. And you are powerful. And your voice needs to be heard. Thank you.
Ganda rin sagot ni Mexico. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Umalis na
Miss
siya.
Mexico.
Sinabi niya na lahat.
I will now
Oh,
ask
ano.
Miss Cote d'Ivoire
Cote
to
d'Ivoire.
please step forward for her final question. Miss Cote d'Ivoire? If you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
Well, as an ambassador and as Miss Universe, I would want to be the face of a representation of a new generation that mixes culture, that mixes modern and traditional. I want to be the face of a new era of women that are bold, that are leaders, that are unapologetic about who they are. If I'm Miss Universe, I want to be a role model for all the young girls
Galing,
and let them
magaling.
know that you too can make it. Go in those rooms where you think you don't belong, shine, and make sure you assume your identity.
Nagaling to si Koteb ba?
Miss Cote d'Ivoire,
Nagaling
everyone.
sumagot. Nangangain ng mic.
Thank you all for your answers. We really appreciate it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, delegates have traveled from all
Cote d'Ivoire. Magaling lahat eh. Pero top 2 ko, Cote d'Ivoire and Philippines. So, maglaban na lang silang dalawa dyan. Ayan na, announcement na! Congratulations, Atisa. Kinabahan ako. Kala ko yung late na yung Denmark. Final walk na ni Denmark. Ano kayang color ng gown? Ay, wow! Parang pangkasal naman. Kasal yan, te. Ito na yung crown. This is the crown for Atisa. Bigay na yan kay Atisa. Parang yan yung kay Catrion.
120
Okay, we're
delegates on
back
the stage,
for the...
all dreaming of being
Ano
crowned
na to?
Miss
Announcement
Universe.
na.
Now,
OMG.
one of them.
Yan na!
The fourth
Mexico o
runner-up
Venezuela? Venezuela. Venezuela! Venezuela! Mexico!
Cote d'Ivoire.
Ka? Oh my God! Oh my God! Cote d'Ivoire for runner-up! Philippines! Mag-runner-up! Di rin siya makapaniwala. I thought second siya or Philippines. Pili ko Thailand.
The
Venezuela.
third runner-up is
Third runner-up, Venezuela, Mexico, 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 Venezuela, Mexico.
Philippines.
Ah! Okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang, alam na this. Thailand na yan. Galing, Atisa, congrats! Congrats, Atisa. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Thailand na yan, ipapanalo na nila
The
yung si
second
Thailand.
runner-up is
Nasa gitna pa siya. Oh. Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Ah, tama? Sabi ko sa inyo, wala na yan. Hindi man lang Philippines and Thailand. Okay lang. Thailand na yan.
We're now down to the final two. Please step forward. Miss Mexico and Miss Thailand. One of you will be taking the crown and representing women all over the world as Miss Universe. If, for any reason, the winner is unable to complete her duties, the first runner-up will take her place. Good luck, ladies. The 74th Miss Universe is...
Thailand.
Do not pull a Steve Harvey here, Steve. Here we go. Miss Universe is...
Thailand.
Mexico!
Ah! Mexico! Okay, congrats Mexico. She's very authentic. That's why.
Congratulations!
She speaks from the heart.
Mexico!
Ah, siya yung inaway ni ni Nawat. Siguro kaya
Give
siya.
a round of applause for our first runner-up, Miss Thailand!
Congrats Mexico. Congrats Atisa. Galing mo pa rin. Third runner-up still magaling pa rin yun. So, pinakamataas as of 2018, di ba? Congrats Atisa! You did your first. Congrats! Third runner-up. Galing. Without any bias, I really believe that it should be between Cote and Philippines. Philippines and Mexico. But dahil si Thailand yung host, kaya siya yung ginawang second runner-up. Pero still, galing pa rin Atisa. So, congrats! Ayan, congratulations Atisa! Ang galing-galing mo talaga! Grabe! Atisa, talaga pinanalo mo ang Pilipinas dahil mataas na ang third runner-up. Dahil ang huli nating place, 2018 pa, na pinakamataas yung winner, si Catriona. So, 2018 pa yan. And ngayon, si ikaw. So, third runner-up, pinakamataas na yun. So, congratulations Atisa! Ang galing-galing mo! As a Quezon Province citizen, fellow Quezon Province citizen, I'm so proud, and ang galing mo talaga from prelims pa lang, talagang nilaban mo eh. Well, wala na tayong magagawa kung luto man yan or hindi, pero para sa akin, ikaw talaga ang winner kasi ang galing-galing mo talagang number 1 talaga siya. So, kung second runner-up, tapos si Cote d'Ivoire, tapos si Philippines, yan, dalawa naglaban, okay pa eh, pero yung ayoko na lang mag-talk. First, hindi pa patalo ang Philippines, talaga namang powerhouse talaga dahil kakapanalo lang natin, di ba? Miss Grand International, si Emma. Tapos ngayon naman, Atisa manalo for third runner-up. So, wala. Philippines talaga ang powerhouse of Asia, Southeast Asia. So, yun lang. So, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on all my socials. See you guys again on our next video. Bye!